Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve economic analysis with Delta Airlines, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve economic analysis with Delta Airlines, start by gathering relevant financial data. Access Delta Airlines' latest financial statements from their investor relations webpage. Extract key financial metrics such as revenue, expenses, and profit margins. Examine the airline's operational costs, including fuel, labor, and maintenance. Analyze passenger load factors to understand how efficiently capacity is being utilized. Review fare structures and pricing strategies to identify trends in revenue management. Consider external factors affecting the airline industry, such as fuel prices and economic conditions. Use historical data to identify patterns in passenger demand and operational performance. Develop forecasts for future revenue based on economic indicators and industry trends. Utilize financial modeling tools to simulate various scenarios for strategic decision-making. Incorporate key performance indicators to measure Delta's operational efficiency. Evaluate customer satisfaction metrics and their relationship to financial performance. Conduct a SWOT analysis to assess Delta's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Benchmark Delta Airlines against other major carriers to gauge competitive standing. Engage in sensitivity analysis to understand the impact of changes in variables on financial outcomes. Compile your findings into a comprehensive report for stakeholders. Present your analysis using clear visuals and data-driven insights. Ensure your recommendations align with Delta's strategic goals and market positioning. Review and refine your economic analysis regularly as new data becomes available. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your economic analysis with Delta Airlines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.